Hey guys, it's Mr. Swindell again. We've got another unboxing video for you. We have 3 packages here. I don't even know what's inside of them. I might have a little bit of an idea, but this will be a surprise for all of us. So here we go with the first one. These show up really fast. With Amazon, they give us that free rush shipping. So XLR cable. XLR is the cable type that we use for microphones, handheld microphones especially. So what this is XLR female. So this goes into the microphone, and then it converts to 1/8 inch. The reason we got this is because, let me get the Sony camera over here, is because these Sony cameras, unlike the JVC cameras that we use, do not have any XLR inputs built into the camera. They only have, right here, an 1/8 inch connector, which is the same size of this cable here that we just got. So the idea behind this was that I noticed that students wanted to use the Sony camera, but be able to plug an external microphone into it, not only use the shotgun mic that's attached to it. So what this will allow us to do is, let me just get a microphone real quick. I'll get one of the microphones that we ordered and got from our fundraiser recently, including the microphone covers. So you plug this into there, and then you plug this other end into the Sony camera. Let me put the microphone down so that I can handle it. So you plug that end into the Sony camera, and then when you turn it on, we'll test it out, see that the microphone quality, where the microphone is coming from. This right here. So you can see the audio levels, super small in the bottom corner there. Check 1 2, check 1 2. I'm really trying to get this close in here. Check 1 2, check 1 2. So you see there, it's picking up my audio levels in the bottom right corner of the little screen. So now we have handheld capabilities with the Sony cameras, or really anything that has a 1/8 inch input or microphone port. So that's very, very useful, because basically we were down to only the JVC cameras to record handheld interviews, and now we can have the Sony camera, so we have even more cameras to use for handheld microphone or external microphone projects. So that's very, very useful. Let me go ahead and wrap that up. I'm excited about that for sure. Okay, let's see the next one here. Tear to open here. So so it's just another box of the same thing. I'll spare you the repetition, but it's just another box of the very same thing that we just unboxed. And then right here, this looks like it's a different item. So let's see here. These are Amazon Basics gold-plated headphone adapters. So the use in these, so you'll probably recognize these. They're adapters so that you can plug your standard 1/8 inch headphone into this, and then it converts to a 1/4 inch input, and you can put that into things like our soundboard or our audio interfaces. So I got 4 total of those, two packs. So there's 4 total of those. That way we can have up to 4 headphone users with a 1/4 inch input. And then this right here looks like it's going to be, this is pretty standard, pretty common. Sorry, let me show. This right here is a audio interface. It's by a brand called Focusrite, and this is a pretty standard, commonly used basic 2-input interface. And this will be very, very useful for us for any kind of audio recording. I'm thinking like podcasts, if we're going to record any music in here. It's a very, very versatile, great, pretty, like I said, pretty popular interface that can be used for all kinds of audio recording. So, opening the box here comes with, let's see here. Comes with the cable, the USB cable, so you can plug it into your computer. Simple enough cable, USB 2.0, I believe. Here's the interface itself. I like how compact it is. I also like, that shiny red. Looks really, really good. Look at that. Look how shiny it is. That is nice. Focusrite. I like that brand name. So here we have the little fancy schmancy cover. So once I peel that off, it's going to be super shiny. So let's just do that right now. Here we go. Super satisfying video right now. Look at that. That is nice and glossy. So here we go. You have two inputs, XLR or 1/4 inch. So in other words, you can plug microphones or even musical instruments like a guitar in there. You have the headphone port there. You have the monitor volume knob. You have, I believe, the output knob here. You have the gain per input knob for input 2 and 1. Sorry, it's kind of difficult because it's reversed for me. And in the back, you have the USB port so that you can plug it into the computer. Down here, this one. And you have the 1/4 inch out for monitors if you want to have it plugged into studio speakers or, external speakers. So I'm really excited about this one. Oh, let's get this satisfying video. Maybe not very satisfying. But look how glossy that is. That is super nice. And it has nice little feet, so it sits well on the desk. Well, folks, that concludes the unboxing video. We got 2 adapters for 1/8 inch and XLR. We got an audio interface, and we got the 4 total of these 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapters. So as you can see, we put the money right back into the program that we received from these fundraisers, and I'm really excited for many more things to come. Thank you. We'll see you next time.